Good morning, guys. Good official moving day. I've already cried this morning because I'm very stressed because we ran out of moving boxes and now we have to use garbage bags, but it's fine. We're gonna make the most of it. It's gonna be okay. Matt just went to go pick up the U-Haul. I'm hoping he picks up coffee because I packed away all of our cups and I can't find them anywhere to make a coffee and I'm kind of sad about it. But happy moving day, you guys. It is currently 9 o'clock. We wanted to kind of get things going between 9 and 10. It's a nice sunny day today. It's around 50 degrees out, so it's a good day to move, and I'm just kind of packing up some last minute stuff. The house is pretty much all packed. I'll show you guys after, but I just need to pack some stuff up in some garbage bags because like I said, we ran out of boxes, and I need to try and make the coffee because I am sleepy girl. All right, where would the cups be? Guys, I never put my brewmate away, so this is the best day ever. That's amazing. I need a double espresso for sure. Been given life, guys. I'm so happy. Okay, so I have all the random stuff that I didn't want to pack last night because I was too tired, that I should have packed last night because now I don't want to pack it. Like Tupperwares. I have all this to pack and we're out of boxes, and all that's really left is the Nespresso. And then when they get back with the U-Haul, we have to go drop Stella off at Matt's parents because she's gonna stay there for the day because I just didn't want her to be in the way and get stressed out and stuff. So that's kind of the plan. I'm gonna finish packing up and then hopefully they'll get here with the U-Haul. Have made it to the house. Oh my god, there's so much stuff everywhere. The kitchen is a disaster. This is the status of our spare. Oh my god, look at all this stuff. This we're not going to deal with probably until this week. And then our bedroom. Ta-da! So big in here, but this is kind of the current status, but I want to try and get the kitchen under control. Hi guys, it is actually the next day. Good morning. Wow, yesterday was chaotic and honestly I didn't really vlog much at all. I was stupid and I had a greasy breakfast and I was super sick all afternoon while we were moving. I couldn't even help move into the house. I was so sick for a few hours, so I didn't really get much vlog footage. I did put away some stuff in the kitchen yesterday, but that's literally it. So we're gonna do a lot today. Oh, I'm sorry. Did you want to say hi to the vlog and tell them all about your new house? Do you love your new house? Do you love your new house? We are going to put some stuff away today, get organized, get settled in, get groceries, all that fun stuff. And yeah, we had a decent sleep last night. Stella was pretty restless, which we kind of figured she would be, just being in a new environment. So hopefully she sleeps a little bit better tonight. But I just got ready for the day. I finally have some energy today. I just wanted to pop on and say hello. I was really MIA yesterday, but I was so sick. It was the worst timing, but yeah, it's fine. We're in the house. I'll give you guys kind of some little updates here and there. And yeah, I put in an IKEA order. We're gonna pick that up tomorrow for my office stuff and some knick-knacky stuff. But for today, I think I'm gonna try and get the closet set up and then the bathroom. So those are my goals for today. But welcome to the new house. It's not, hi Stella. It's not super clean right now, obviously, but that's where our bed is. And yeah, like I said, we need to do some stuff with the closet. So I figured I'd show you guys. So this is kind of all we have in the fridge. So we have obviously a lot of alcohol because people were bringing us wine, but just all of our sauces and stuff. And then we brought some drinks over from the old house and coffee creamer. And then we just did some groceries, and I'll show you guys kind of everything that we got. We didn't really have much to work with. We just had sauces left. Open that door, get that fresh air. So we picked up some tulips for the house. We got 2. And then some, they didn't have bugles, so we had to get Doritos. It's very sad. Then we got some bread, 2 of these, some bagels, cinnamon raisin and everything, lemons. Matt likes these snap peas. These are like our favorite snacks. So we got the cinnamon bun fiber one bars, and then the chocolate chip cookie, eggs, bananas, cucumbers, blueberries, strawberries. I feel like this time we're trying to buy what we need, because obviously we have like a very empty kitchen, but we only want to fill it with stuff that we actually need. We got some kombucha just because we've been eating a lot of junk food. So I'm really excited to have that. Then we got these. I love going to Loblaws because stuff is always like 30% off. So we got these little beef strip loin medallions for dinner one night. Some granola, mixed berry and banana nuts, carrots. These are the best crackers ever. I got more of these banana dip chocolate kind of popsicles, so good. Tzatziki. Matt got some, oh, I didn't, it just had like a fudge peanut butter core. I thought it was just normal Ben& Jerry's. Oh my gosh, yum. And then some salami. I got just the PC cold brew. I actually really like this one. Not the hazelnut one, but the black one's pretty good. Matt got disgusting raisin bran. I don't know what this is. Yeah, on your raisin bran, it's nasty.
Yo, everybody's gonna love the raisin bran.
Okay, comment down below if you like a raisin bran or not. Caramel spread, vegan margarine, I think I said salami, and then just yogurt. So I'm gonna go ahead and put all this away, and then I'll give you guys like some updates. The status of the kitchen, it's looking pretty good, honestly. We're pretty set up for the most part. The only thing that's left is like, these are all of our coffee mugs and stuff, and we're just waiting till we get our coffee cart from Wayfair on Tuesday to set it up. But I mean, obviously a lot of it's like trial and error. Like, we just put stuff away, and then if we don't like the setup, oh hi, oh my goodness gracious. Got home from getting some groceries. I'm gonna go downstairs, probably make a little coffee in a little bit, but today's plan, like I said earlier, is to tackle my bathroom. So we need to put all this away and then all these away, and I have to go find my office desk organizers and use those in here until we get some more on Amazon. So we're gonna try and do that today, and then also tackle, this is my office, but we need to get all these clothes out and sorted because my desk is coming tomorrow. So that is that. And then we're gonna tackle this closet, which is gonna be like my workout stuff. So we got a lot to do, but I'm feeling energized and ready to do it. So we're gonna tackle that. I'm pretty excited. Okay, we got the bathroom somewhat under control. I am gonna do like a little bathroom organization vlog at some point, but we have it mostly organized for now. I just have some extra containers, and then I have like hair stuff and Stella's stuff, and then it's really nice actually to have drawers and not a pantry. So I need to get organizers for my makeup. So for now they're just in here. I'm trying to talk loud enough that I don't get copyrighted by Disney. Hero stuff, extra stuff, like this all just needs to be organized, but it just needed a home for now. So bathroom, check. almost 4 o'clock. We've been putting stuff away, getting organized. It kind of just finally feels like home now that stuff is like put away and organized. I'll give you guys like a little sneak peek. Obviously it's like a little messy still, but I'll show you guys what we've been working on. Put our little table outside, and then we hung up Stella's little, or we put Stella's little like in-ground leash in there, and left some toys out. Dining table is pretty much all set up now. We just have like random boxes and bags everywhere. And then the only thing is our kitchen is pretty dark during the day, but we have good lighting at least. So the kitchen still needs a little bit of love, but we can't really finish it up until we get the coffee cart on Tuesday. So that's kind of the kitchen. Just needs a little putting away still. And I have like a yogurt open, but and then Stella's room is pretty much done. I mean, it's like, I feel like the upstairs is kind of like a holding spot for all our random stuff right now, but we got this in here. We have all Stella's stuff in here. Her crate's set up. Curtains we need to hang. Toys, empty moving boxes. It's kind of a holding place. And then, I mean, same with my office. Until we get my desk tomorrow, it's kind of just like miscellaneous. I do need to take the curtains down at some point, but Matt's going to help me because I don't know how to do that. And then just like a bunch of bags for donation. I did get part of my little workout closet set up though, and then just some shoes. But we have like sports bras and t-shirts, and then shorts and leggings, and then extra hangers there. Hung up my purses. Hi. The bedroom's coming together really well actually. I'm gonna get copyrighted, but it's fine. And the closets are all set up, and oh, is this clean laundry?
Yeah.
I feel like we need to find all of the angles in the new house to vlog, but I'm just eating yogurt because we've been, once again, go all day. Haven't eaten much. But yeah, everything that we want to get done today we got done. We're gonna go for a walk in a little bit, and then I think we're gonna pop the champagne tonight just because we're like feeling up to it finally, and have dinner outside and whatnot. And no, this mommy's yogurt will be a new vlog. It'll be like an IKEA haul and setting up the office, and then I don't know, maybe tonight I'll tackle the kitchen a bit more, but for now I'm feeling like everything, most of the boxes, I'd say 90% of the boxes are empty, so that's really good. And just like finding things at home now, but we've been on a roll today. Got groceries, put the stuff in the kitchen away, got the bedroom and the clothes were like the biggest thing to put away, so I'm happy we did that. And then obviously in the next few weeks it'll just like be random stuff that comes in the mail. Like I had to order a new like outlet thing today and just like stuff like that. But I'm really excited for tomorrow. Excited to get our IKEA stuff to that together. That's my update for now. And Charles just stopped by. Brooke is my best friend if you guys don't know. And they dropped off a sweet little housewarming present for us. They got this wine, which is amazing. We love a Pinot Grigio. I've never had this. And a little succulent, which I'm going to try and not kill. And a cute little card, which I will show you guys in a sec. Cute. The key to happiness is a place to call your own. It's a while later. We're having our first dinner in our new house. And Stella's going to come outside and eat with us. We got her kibbies. Matt is learning. We got our champagne finally. We're just going to pop the little one I bought just because we have like 4 bottles of it, and then we don't want to waste it for just the 2 of us. So these are my Facebook Marketplace finds, $5. We love it. So we're going to pop some champagne finally. See us? You ready?
Yeah.
Just shake it. So
It's sick.
Me a little dinner. Why, thank you, kind sir. Some bubbly for me, some bubbly for you. Cheers. My hair is wild right now. Okay guys, I just took a shower and we had dinner outside for the first time, popped some champagne to celebrate, you guys saw that, and now I'm having a cider. My appetite is finally back. But I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog off here just because I'm gonna start a new one tomorrow when I do our IKEA haul and whatnot, and that will be the final moving vlog. We'll be setting up my office, do an IKEA haul, spend the day with Matt and I. You guys love it. So I'm going to start that new vlog tomorrow. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to give this a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. I hope you guys are loving the moving vlogs so far. And I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye!